Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android. So let me just open it up and show you guys that I got it. So let's just wait for this to load here. And I'm going to go ahead and join a game just so you guys can see it in action. So let me just join right here so you guys can see. Alright, and you're going to see the magic, guys. This is super cool. So let's just give it a second for this to load up. And you guys will see what I'm talking about. Alright. So here we go. So as you can see right here, it says that we have it. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So you can see all the settings right here. So this is super cool. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to get the Delta Executor on your device. So as you can see, all the settings. So it's super awesome. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get straight into the video. So yeah, this is so cool. So let's go now, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So before we can do this, we need to go ahead and go to the browser. And you want to go to the website install-delta.com. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So this is the website where we can download this. So once we're on the website, guys, we're going to press the button that says Start Injecting. And it's going to start to download it. It's going to ask us if we're using an iPhone or an Android. And we just need to select our device, go ahead and press inject. Now we have to do verification. So we have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free from official App Store. So let's just wait for it to come up here, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and press the button that says verify now. And it's going to bring me to the list of apps. And then I just got to go ahead and download 2 of these apps here. So as you can see, there's tons of them, guys. So just go ahead and download some of the apps. So for the first app, I'm going to do the Evertail, so it's going to bring me to the App Store, and I'm going to go ahead and download it. So while this is downloading, guys, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So let me just go back on the list, and I'm just going to go ahead and get another one. So for me, I'm going to do Family Island, so it's going to bring me to the App Store, and I'm going to download the app. So while this is downloading, guys, I'm going to go to the home screen and just see if they're downloaded yet. So I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So the Evertail's already done. So I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever. Nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing through it. So yeah, it's pretty simple, guys. Nothing too insane. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. So I'm just going to play through this right here. Okay. So yeah, it's pretty simple, guys. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. Alright, so I think we're pretty much done. So I'm going to go to the home screen now and do the other app, which is the Family Island. So it's downloaded, so I'm going to run it. And I'm just going to do some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. So let me just do this. Alright, so I'm just going to play through it right here. So it's pretty simple. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and run this. Alright, just playing around with it. So yeah, it's not too hard or anything. So I'm just going to do this for a little bit more here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just running this right here. So yeah, I think we're pretty much done. So once you're done with the verification, guys, the Delta Executor should download onto your device. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's super insane. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, this is so cool, guys, and it fully works. So if you're poor, guys, and you can't afford a PC, Delta Executor is the best mobile Roblox script. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. I hope you guys enjoy the video, but yeah, get the word out. If you like my video, feel free to subscribe to the channel, guys. This is so awesome. So as you can see, we got all the settings right here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's so cool. So as you can see, here are all the settings. It's actually working, guys. So definitely go ahead, try it out for yourself if you guys need it, because this is super cool, and it's totally updated and everything. So get the word out, guys, and I'll see you later, and peace out.